Welcome to Terminology Tutor. Did you know that English vowels can have more than one sound? In today's video, we'll learn about short and long vowel sounds. Let's get started. This is the letter A. In English, it has two main sounds.
Long A. Sounds like A. Cake.
Short A sounds like A.
Cat. E. Long E. Sounds like E.
B. Short E. Sounds like A.
Bed.
I.
Long I. Sounds like I.
Time. Short I. Sounds like E. Fish. O.
Long O. Sounds like O.
Home. Short O. Sounds like ah in American English. Dog. U.
Long U. Sounds like U.
Cube.
Short U. Sounds like
Sun. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with Terminology Tutor.